everyone, and welcome to the Small Business Social Show. My name is Jill, and I am your host. And today we're going to be talking about how to use social media to promote your practice, your small business, or your personal brand. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm the owner of Fox Social Media, and my company has been helping businesses of all different types and sizes to market and grow online for the past 9 years now. And I'm super excited to have both my YouTube show and my podcast of the same name to help all of you as well. So let's get started. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing that you are an absolute professional at what you do. You're an expert in your field and you know a little bit about social media and probably even use it for fun. But the thought of social media marketing is probably completely overwhelming. So I'm here today to talk about just a very basic and simple marketing plan to help you get started. And don't be overwhelmed by this. You're going to start really slow and it's really not that hard. The one thing I need you to do if you don't already have one is get a logo for your business. Now you can do this for maybe $10 or $15 on a site like Fiverr. That's Fiverr.com. And that's going to be super important. Get this logo in a square shape. And you're going to use this as your profile picture on every social media site that you use. Next, you need to create a website. You can do this very inexpensively. For just maybe $35 a year, you can buy your domain name and pay for hosting. And it's just not that hard to set up a website anymore with sites like WordPress. WordPress is so easy to use. I am by no means a designer in any field at all, including web, and I was able to set up my own website, and I think it looks really good. They've got a whole bunch of very practical, very easy to use and follow, and very professional looking themes, and they're free. Next, you're going to start by creating a Facebook business page. Now, this is not difficult, and again, on this one, you're going to make sure to use that logo that you bought, that square-shaped little logo that you got on Fiverr, as your profile picture. You're also going to fill out as much of the information as possible on your Facebook page. And I have a full step-by-step tutorial of exactly how to set up a Facebook business page. And I'm going to link it right there above and also down below in the description for you. The next thing you're going to do is to set up a Twitter page for your business. This is super simple. Once again, use the exact same logo as your profile picture and also make sure you complete as much of the information as possible. Another side note I want to mention is to try to keep your username as similar as possible across all of social media. So for instance, my username across social media at every platform I use is Jill W. Fox. So just see if you can do the same for your business. Next, you're going to create an Instagram account. Now, this is not always necessary to get started unless you have a business that's super visual. Do you sell products? Are you doing makeovers? Are you a hair salon? You know, anything where it's very important for people to see your product or your service in action, or before and after photos. If those are really going to help you sell your product, make sure you create an Instagram business account as well. Once again, use that same profile picture, complete as much of the information as possible on that account. On another side note, I have a video that will teach you exactly how to go through a step-by-step process that will help you add multiple links to your Instagram account and drive traffic to your website at the same time. And once again, I'm going to link it up here and down below in the description. The objective here is going to be to start reaching your ideal clients, patients, customers, where they spend time online. And you're also going to want to give them the opportunity to get to know you, like you, and trust you. In general, it takes between 7 to 9 touches before a person is going to go from not knowing who you are at all to buying your product or service. And one of the nice things about social media is that you can accomplish several of these quote-unquote touches online. The next step you want to take is to post 6 posts on each platform. And if you're wondering, what the heck am I supposed to post? Well, when you're starting for these first 6, you want it to be information about your business. Don't post anything without a graphic, an infographic, a photo, or something to go with it that's visual. There's so much noise and clutter on social media that a text-only post is going to go largely unnoticed. So if you have a little video clip, a photo, anything that you can add is going to be great. So you want to talk about your business and why you started it and what you specialize in and just all kinds of information like that. It's only 6 posts, so you want to think about all the different things that are going to help you to introduce your business to your clients, patients, and customers. Are you trying to convey maybe a concept or an idea, but don't have a photograph to go with it? Well, I'm going to give you the name of 3 free sites for photos, and they're also royalty free. One is Pixabay, one is Pexels, and one is Unsplash. And again, I will leave links below in the description for you. Once you have put 6 posts on each of your social media sites, it's time to start inviting your friends and family to support these pages. And here's how to do it. First of all, on Facebook, you're going to log into your personal Facebook page, and then you are going to navigate directly to your Facebook business page. You're going to click on the 3 little dots that are directly under that large cover photo next to the word share. Then you're going to scroll to the bottom of the menu and click on Invite Friends. Next, you're going to click on the tab that says Not Invited. This will bring up a list of names of people that you are eligible to invite because they are friends with your personal page who you have not invited yet. Next, you're going to click on Select All, kind of on the right middle section. Then you're going to scroll to the bottom and click on Send Invites. It's that simple. Now an invite has been sent to every person that you are friends with on your personal page, and you've invited them to like your business page. Now this process is a little bit different on Twitter and Instagram. You are going to be creating separate accounts that aren't attached at all to your personal accounts. So what you're going to do on these platforms is actually search for friends and family members by name. And you're going to follow their account from your business account in hopes that they're going to follow you back as well. Now, I also recommend that you use the messaging platform on both of these programs or both of these social media accounts to message your friends and family and say, hey, that follower you just got from Jill's Flower Store, that was me. That's my new business page, and I'd love it if you would support me and follow me back. And that will help a lot. In addition, if you do have a personal account on either of these, maybe you have a personal Instagram account or a personal Twitter account, you're going to want to post a photo of your new business account and tag it, and you're going to want to post and just ask everyone that follows you on your personal accounts to follow you on your business account as well. The next step is to start posting. Try and post about 3 times a week at least on all of these platforms. And if you don't have ideas on what to post, watch my video. I have 30 different post ideas, and again, I will link the video here, and I will put the link down below in the description as well. Make sure that you're checking your notifications once a day. People may have comments or questions, and you want to make sure you're there to answer them right off the bat. Now, the other thing I want you to do is to watch 2 videos if you're new to social media. And one is going to teach you how to use humor in your brand. And there are correct ways and incorrect ways to do it. I have a video that's going to explain it to you and also show you a whole bunch of examples just how to do this. So again, linked here and linked below as well. Make sure you watch it. The second video I want you to watch is called Do Not Post This on Social Media. There are a few areas you really need to stay away from and be careful of, and this short video goes over all of those for you as well. Once again, linked here and down below in the description as well. Next, I have a few quick tips on how to grow these accounts from the very beginning when you don't have a single penny to put into advertising. What you're going to do on Facebook, this is a little different. You cannot invite people who you are not friends with on your personal Facebook page to like your Facebook business page. Facebook doesn't allow it, with 2 exceptions. The first exception is that if you have the person's email address, they assume that you've already done business with this person and will let you search for them by email and send them an invite. Second, if anyone interacts with your posts, maybe they like it or they comment on it, well, then Facebook will allow you to invite those people to like your business page as well. With Twitter and Instagram, it's a little bit different. So I'm going to suggest something and you're going to hear other people say, oh, that's not a great idea. Well, when you're brand new and you want to grow your account, it is a good idea. And that is, you want to find your ideal clients online. So I have Jill's Flower Shop in this example anyway. And there's a Mary's Flower Shop in Orange County, just maybe a few blocks away from mine. Well, I know that because we're in the same geographic area and we sell the same type of products, that Mary's Flower Shop has my ideal clients and customers. I'm going to navigate to Mary's Flower Shop, her Twitter page or her Instagram account, and I'm going to follow her followers. You can only do this in small batches or you will get stopped. Both of the platforms will shut you down for a while if you go too fast. So maybe just start with 20, 30 a day max. What you're hoping for here is that these ideal clients and customers will follow you back. And it will work in some cases. It's not always going to work, but you will start to grow your accounts this way. And it's a really good idea. What I am going to tell you is to never, ever buy followers. It is so obvious. I can literally click on an account and within 5 seconds tell you if that person's bought followers. And it does harm you. It does harm you in the algorithm and in several other ways. And again, I'm going to link a video up here to tell you exactly why you shouldn't buy followers and what happens to you if you do. Here, and I'll link it in the description below. Now, this is a basic overview of how to market your practice, your business, or your brand. And again, this is just going to get you started, but please don't try to wait until you think you know everything, because that's never going to happen. Everything changes all the time. And if you don't get started, you're just going to stay in that learning mode forever. The best way to learn is to try and to start. And if you watch just this video and a few of the resources I linked here, you're going to be ready. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them for me down below in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I'm looking forward to catching up with you again next week.